Okay, so this is how you change the battery, the Smart 2 Pro. There's gonna be 8 screws at the very top right over here. You just wanna unscrew these. Take those back, put them aside with the screws. And there's gonna be 1 screw at the very bottom, in the middle right over here. You would also wanna unscrew that as well. After that, you just take the top off, you just set it aside. What you could also do is take this little vent to the other side so the wires don't have any pressure on them. And then this, you also want to take out, set it aside. You see the battery right there. Since you unscrewed that 1 screw at the very bottom, this should just slide right out. Resistance plate. Good. After that, you have the battery, you have the clip, and then you just want to put your new battery back into the same spot. In the same way you took everything apart, you want to put everything back in.